Hey there, it's Sarah. Are you an older gentleman navigating the modern dating scene? Today, we're diving into the unique advantages that come with your years of life experience. We'll explore how your maturity, wisdom, and financial stability can greatly enhance your dating life and relationships. By the end of this video, you'll see how these factors not only attract partners, but also foster deeper, more meaningful connections. Before we start, if you're curious about some personalized dating advice, check the link in the description or pinned comment to book a free 60-minute strategy call with our dating coaches. Now let's dive in. 1. Personal growth and rejuvenation. When you're an older man in the dating world, entering a relationship with a younger partner isn't just about companionship. It's a gateway to personal growth and rejuvenation. Here's how it plays out. Your younger partner brings a bundle of energy and a slew of fresh perspectives that might be far removed from your usual routines. This isn't just refreshing, it's transformative. Being around someone who sees the world through a different lens can challenge you to rethink old habits and beliefs. Perhaps you're introduced to new music genres, modern tech gadgets, or different social activities like yoga in the park instead of your typical morning newspaper read. This can reinvigorate your daily life, making you feel more connected to the contemporary world and less stuck in your ways. Moreover, the dynamics of such relationships often push you towards self-awareness. You become more in tune with how you relate to others, particularly in handling differences in maturity and life experiences. It's not just about adjusting to them, but also appreciating the growth that comes from this adaptation. This partnership isn't a one-way street. The energy and admiration from a younger partner can be a powerful affirmation of your life's experiences and wisdom, validating your past choices and perhaps smoothing over any regrets with a sense of acceptance and peace. Ultimately, this mix of new experiences fueled by your partner's zest and your seasoned perspective can lead to a profoundly fulfilling and rejuvenating partnership where both of you grow, individually and together. 2. Navigating generational differences creatively. This can significantly boost a relationship between an older man and a younger partner. These differences, instead of being a barrier, can be a rich source of mutual growth and enjoyment. When you and your younger partner blend experiences from different eras, it not only adds variety, but also depth to your relationship. Let's consider how this works. You might introduce your partner to classic films or vintage music that you grew up loving, and in turn, they might share the latest tech trends or contemporary pop culture. This exchange does more than just pass the time. It provides a window into each other's worlds, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of one another. Such interactions are opportunities for learning and fun. They help both partners see the world through a different lens. For you, it might be about rediscovering the pulse of current cultural trends. For your partner, it's about gaining insights into historical contexts or timeless classics that have shaped the modern world. By embracing these differences, you both get to step out of your comfort zones. This not only keeps the relationship exciting, but also helps each of you grow as individuals. You learn to communicate across different perspectives, which can enhance your empathy and understanding. Bridging generational gaps isn't just about enjoying a mix of old and new. It's about building a connection that is both enriching and enlightening, proving that age really can be just a number in the face of genuine connection and shared curiosity. 3. Unique social dynamics. As an older man, you often enjoy a more refined social circle, which brings a unique set of social dynamics into your relationships. This maturity in your social life can significantly enhance both your personal happiness and your romantic relationships. With years under your belt, you've likely filtered out fair-weather friends and retained those who share deeper connections and values. This means less drama and more meaningful interactions. Your established friendships are built on mutual respect, shared history, and understanding, rather than just common interests or convenience. This can be incredibly appealing to a partner who appreciates the calm and depth of your interactions. They won't just be entering a relationship with you, they'll be joining a mature, stable social network. This can be a breath of fresh air, especially if they're used to more tumultuous social circles where the drama often overshadows genuine connection. What's more, your experience means you're likely better at managing and resolving conflicts when they do arise. This skill is invaluable, not just in maintaining your friendships, but also in your romantic life. It shows that you are not just capable of lasting relationships, but you also know how to keep them healthy and vibrant. So, this aspect of dating an older man opens the door to a serene and fulfilling social life, where gatherings are about quality conversations and genuine enjoyment. It's not just about having fun. It's about enriching your life with people who matter. This solid social foundation can make your dating experience much more enjoyable and far less complicated. 4. Financial wisdom and security. Over the years, you've likely navigated various economic challenges, invested wisely, or built a career that now provides a stable income. This financial stability is not just a number in a bank account. It's about the peace of mind and the less stressful environment it creates in a relationship. When you're financially stable, you're not just planning the next date. You're capable of thinking long-term. Whether it's planning a dream vacation, investing in a home, or preparing for a comfortable retirement, these are not just possibilities. They're within reach. This can make a significant difference in a relationship, where financial stress often takes a toll on younger couples still trying to establish themselves. Moreover, your financial prudence means fewer impulsive financial decisions and more planned, thoughtful spending. It's about knowing when to save and when it's okay to splurge, a skill that comes with time and experience. This wisdom can be incredibly attractive and reassuring to a partner, especially if they are used to the unpredictability common in younger relationships. Your financial maturity ensures that money is a tool for building a happy life together, rather than a source of tension. This creates a stable, secure foundation for both partners, where you can enjoy the present and also look forward to a secure future together. This aspect of dating an older man not only brings comfort, but also opens doors to new experiences that are financially feasible. Liking what you're hearing? Hit the like button and drop a comment. And if you're curious about taking your dating skills further, our free strategy call can help you learn to meet more women and date with confidence. Click on the link in the pinned comment to find out more. 5. Less drama, more enjoyment. Being settled in your social circles as an older man translates into fewer superficial dramas and more meaningful interactions, significantly enhancing the quality of your relationships. This maturity in social dealings means you're likely surrounded by friends who are not just acquaintances, but true companions who share deep, mutual respect. This established social network brings a calm and depth to your life, avoiding the high-drama scenarios often seen in younger circles. It's not about weekend escapades or gossip. It's about enjoying quality time, whether it's a quiet dinner, a meaningful conversation, or supporting each other through thick and thin. This stability is not just comforting. It's appealing to partners who appreciate substance over spectacle. Moreover, having fewer dramas means you spend less energy on unnecessary conflicts and more on nurturing the relationships that matter. This can be especially appealing in a romantic relationship, where the focus can remain on building a connection based on trust, mutual support, and shared experiences rather than navigating constant social upheavals. Thus, your social life isn't just a list of contacts. It's a curated collection of meaningful relationships. This not only makes your personal life more enjoyable, but also paints a promising picture for potential partners looking for a serious relationship. 6. Support systems and advocacy. As an older man in an age gap relationship, one significant advantage you hold is a broader and more established support system. Over the years, you've likely built a network of friends, family, and colleagues who understand and respect your life choices. This support system is not just a social convenience. It plays a crucial role in the success and stability of your relationships, particularly with younger partners. This extensive network provides a solid foundation of advice and encouragement, which can be especially valuable when navigating the unique challenges that come with age gap relationships. For instance, your friends who have been through similar experiences can offer insights or strategies for addressing misunderstandings that might arise from generational differences. Moreover, a well-established support system helps in legitimizing and strengthening the relationship in the eyes of the broader community. It can mitigate the external pressures or criticisms that often come with age differences in dating. With the backing of a supportive network, both you and your younger partner can feel more secure and validated in your relationship. Additionally, these supporters are often more mature and can provide a level of wisdom and stability that is reassuring to your younger partner. They see beyond the age difference, focusing on what really matters: the mutual respect, love, and shared life goals between you two. Your robust support system not only enriches your personal life, but also plays a pivotal role in fostering a nurturing and understanding environment for your relationship with a younger woman. Here's a bonus tip that's golden. Mastering communication is absolutely critical in navigating the complexities of an age gap relationship, ensuring it remains strong and enduring. Effective communication is the cornerstone of any successful relationship, but it's especially crucial when the partners are from different generations. This can bring a mix of perspectives, expectations, and communication styles. Open and honest dialogue helps bridge any gaps in understanding and expectations. It's about more than just talking. It's about connecting, listening, and truly understanding each other's viewpoints. For an older man, this might mean being open to new ideas and ways of seeing the world, while also sharing your own experiences and insights in a way that resonates with your younger partner. Furthermore, good communication practices include being clear about your feelings, desires, and concerns. It's also about being a good listener, showing empathy, and giving space to your partner to express themselves without judgment. This kind of supportive interaction encourages both partners to feel secure and valued, fostering a deeper bond. By prioritizing communication, you can navigate through most challenges that come with an age difference. You'll not only avoid misunderstandings, but also build a relationship that's based on mutual respect and understanding. Remember, it's not about winning an argument. It's about understanding each other and growing together. Make it a point to keep the lines of communication open, and you'll find that your relationship becomes more robust and more fulfilling with each conversation. So now that you know those advantages, what's next for you? Discover what younger women do when they're interested in an older man, or learn about the art of flirtation. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.